What's up guys, good morning. So today we are going to make some blueberry pancakes. My mom's been asking for them for a while, so I'm gonna make some for her and she's very desperate. This is the first time doing blueberry pancakes, so we'll see how it goes, but I think my friends would tell you I'm quite a pro at pancakes. Okay, so the way that I like to do it, first thing is 200 grams of self-raising flour and a pinch of salt and your baking powder. With me, I kind of one for kind of, you know, feeling out the ingredients, idea of what the consistency's like, you know, lift that spoon up. If it's a bit too thick, more milk. If it's not, then more flour. I usually had my first one being like the trial one. I always eat the first one. I'm gonna add 1 egg and 300 mils of milk. And listen, I'm just kind of putting these measurements in for you guys just in case you are one of those people that uses measuring cups and stuff. But yeah, I'm just gonna eye it out. So I'm just gonna put this in the microwave. Also, while that's just in the microwave, I just wanna let you guys know that I am still in pajamas. I did just wake up and I'm just making breakfast, so no judgment here about, you know, the plain face and messy hair and, you know, the hoodie and sweatpants. So what I find usually is that when you put butter in the microwave, it'll start popping and go everywhere. So once I start hearing that, I usually take it out immediately because that usually means that the butter is hot enough for you just to stir the rest of it in. If it's not melting enough, put it in for like another 10 seconds. You know what? I'm saying this as if I'm like a pro, but I'm not. Okay, so usually at this stage, once I've kind of done everything, then this is where I kind of add a little bit more or whatever, add my own twists, just to kind of make it to what I like. I'm just gonna add more ingredients and then there's more batter, so then we have more pancakes. What I'm also gonna do, I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar just to make it taste a little bit sweeter. Just like a tablespoon. Okay, so when it comes to pancakes, this is probably the worst part for me because I'm quite, really wait too long and I usually just want to eat it straight away. So I usually just want to do like 3 at one time, which means that, you know, these pancakes come out in all sorts of shapes. But for the first couple, I'll show you what they look like if they're just kind of like circular. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the batter on the pan and then we'll wait for it to cook for a little bit and then you can place those blueberries on top and then we'll give it a nice flip and then hopefully it turns out well. So as most people know, pancakes are ready when they have those little bubbles on top. So we'll give this pancake a nice old flip. Oh, one blueberry escaped, so we're just gonna, the juices are coming out. Ooh, baby. just going to flip the rest of those pancakes and then we'll see what the stack looks like because everybody loves a good pancake stack. Let me just show you. Excuse me, professional. So what I can vouch for is that while you're waiting for the pancakes to cook, you do get hungry, so. Jazz apple. That was the good one. She's eating my pancake. Is it good? She burnt her tongue.
Espero que la vecina no vea.
Que va a comer todo. Y solamente hay como, oh mi Dios. They're big blueberries. In the meantime, it's always good to clean up, as my mom tells me. Clean up while you're cooking so you don't have to do as much cleaning up afterwards. ¿Qué?
Ay, esto es un video que la vida, mano.
Big boy, they're huge. So this one has a lot of blueberries in it. A lot of bluebs. Only 2 bluebs made it on this pancake, so. So I think as a whole, the pancakes were a success. They looked bad. I know, but that doesn't matter. I highly recommend. Don't be deceived by the look of them. That is my only advice. The juice was oozing out of the blueberries, so it didn't really look that appealing, but so it's been like an hour and I've just taken a shower. As you can tell, my hair's wet. I also evidently have a mask on. I'm actually trying out a couple new things just because my skin has actually been pretty bad lately. So I've kind of changed up my skin routine and hopefully it's getting better. I just think I have some allergies and just that's kind of mixed with the acne, so my skin's not that good, but doing a face mask right now. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next week. Like and subscribe and turn post notifications on to stay up to date with all my new videos and everything because your girl is back at it. I'm so full. See you next week.